Hello aspirants, welcome to Meghalayamentors. Today we'll be looking at a new topic of arithmetic, that is average. We have already completed profit and loss, ratio proportions, number systems, time and work, and also percentage. So today we'll be looking at a new topic, that is average. Okay, and if you are not getting the videos that I've already completed, you can watch it from this I button. Okay, so let us start with the average. Okay, this is very important for all the exams conducted by Meghalaya, so especially for upcoming MLP exams. Okay, this is very important for upcoming MLP exams and also for MPSC exams, DSC exams, and different exams conducted by the central government also. Okay, so let us begin. And also I want to tell you, please watch it till the end to get a good idea of average chapter. Okay, so this I am doing this average for Meghalaya, especially for Meghalaya exams, okay, especially for MLP. So let us begin. So what is average? Before starting, you should know what is average, right? So average is a way to find a central value of a set of numbers. It gives a single value that represents the overall amount distributed equally. So I hope you understand the definition. It is the central value that we used to find from the given set of numbers, right, which is equally distributed. Suppose if I tell you, if I give you some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then what will be the average of this number? So to find the average of this number, what we'll say the central value, right? From here we can make out it as 3. Okay, from here we can make out it as 3 because the central value. But if the different numbers are given, how we'll do? So in that case, we will use this formula, that is average is equal to sum of observations divided by total number of observations. Now I'll tell you what are these. So let us see in the next page. Like I said, average is sum of observations divided by total number of observations. Okay, total number of observations. What do you mean by sum of observation and total number of observation? Let us see. If I give you one example, say like I have given you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I give you this 5 number and you have to find the average of this number, so how will do? First thing I said, sum of observation. Count the number of observations. How many observations you have? Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us term like this: total number of observation. How many total number of observations? Can you count? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are. Say this one. Let me take it like this. Okay, n. Say total number of observations is n. And how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see there are 5 total numbers. Okay. Now what do you mean by sum? Let's see. Sum of observation. Sum of this one. Okay. Sum of observation. By observation I mean this one. Okay. This whole thing is observation. So let us say this is sum. And how will write sum? So what do you mean by sum? Addition of all this, right? So let us add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. How much you'll be getting? 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 10, 15, right? So you're getting 15. The sum of observation is how much? 15. Let us put this value of total number of observation and sum of observation in average. We'll get the average of this number. So average is total sum of observation, that is 15 divided by total number of observation, and is how much? 5. Okay, so you see how much we're getting. Cancel this one. 5, 3. So average of this 5 numbers, how much? It is 3. So it is the central value. Okay, it is the central value. I hope it is clear. One more thing I want you to know is that the formula says average equal to sum of observation by total number of observation, right? This can also be written as like this. If you have to find, in many cases of average, we have to find a sum first. Okay, in many questions we have to find a sum. So can you see from this only, average is here, total number of observation is here, sum is here. So how will find the sum of this number? So can you just do average into total number of observation? If you multiply average into total number of observation, you will be getting sum of observation. If we have to find the sum of the given number, if in case average is given and we have to find the sum and the total number of observations given, how will do? Sum will be equal to average into total number of observation. Total, I'll just write total. Okay, means total number of observation. You should remember this formula also. Okay, it's important. Okay, so let us see some important formulas. Okay, if in case you're given average of first and natural numbers, how will you find? You don't need to do 1 plus 1. Suppose, what are natural numbers? If I give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are all counting numbers, right? So if they tell you find the average of first, 20 natural numbers, 20 natural numbers, how you will do? So you don't need to do 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 20. What you will do is, you can use this formula, average of first n natural numbers, what? N plus 1. Here total number, like I said, total number of observation will be how much? N is equal to 20, right? So use this formula. Use this formula directly. N is 20, so it will be 20 plus 1 divided by 2. When you have to find, remember, okay, then you have to find the average of first n natural numbers. So here n is how much? It's 20. Use this formula, n plus 1 by 2. Our n is 20 plus 1 by 2. This will come to how much? 21 by 2. Then how much you'll get? You'll be getting around 10.5. So this will be the average of this given 20 natural numbers. If in case if they give you an exam, find the average of first 30 natural numbers. So what you will do? You will add, use same formula, take n as 30, then use this formula to get the answer. Okay, let's see some other one. If in case you are given, say if in case you are given average of first n even numbers, even numbers means 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Okay, right? So if they give you find the average of first, say find the average of first 30 even numbers, what you will do? You don't need to do anything. Okay, just remember averages n plus 1. Whenever you have to find the average of first n even numbers, what you can do is take n as 30, say n here as 30. So what you just do is add 1 on that. 30 plus 1, that will be 31. This will be the this will be the average of the first 30 even numbers. Same way, if I give you find the average of first 50 even numbers. Okay, then what you will do? N plus 1. Take n as 50. Then if you take n as 50, just add 1 on that. 50 plus 1, you'll get 51. Otherwise, you'll have to do 2 plus 3 or 2 plus 4 plus 6 and divide by the number of observation. Okay, so you don't need to go this long. I hope it is clear. Let's go next. Average of first n odd numbers. Just now we did even numbers. Now let's see n odd numbers. What do you do? Suppose, what are odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on, right? So if you are given find the average of first say first 15 odd numbers, then what you will do? Just remember, the in case of odd numbers, if I'll tell you 15 odd numbers, average of first 15 odd numbers, answer will be n equal to 15. This will be the answer only. Okay, the total number of observation will be the answer for the first n number of odd numbers. Okay, clear? I hope it is clear. Whenever you are given find the average of first, say 15 odd numbers, the answer will be 15. If you are given find the average of first 30 odd numbers, then 30 will be the answer. Find the average of 100 odd numbers, then the answer will be 100. Okay, clear? Let's go next. Average of consecutive numbers. Now, what is consecutive number? Say, if I tell you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are all consecutive numbers, side by side numbers, right? But sometimes it might be given. Find the average of, say, find the average of numbers. Not numbers. Find the average of 20 to 50. Say 51. So what you will do? You in case if you don't know the formula, you do 20 plus 21 plus 22 plus 23 22 23 plus, and then you have to divide. It will be a long way, right? So what you can do here is, whenever you are given consecutive numbers, so 20, 21, 22, 23, what you will do? You should remember the formula: first term plus last term divided by 2. So in this case, what will be the answer? Our first term is 20, our last term is 51. Say divide by 2. You get how much? 20 plus 51 is 71 divided by 2. When you divide this one, you get the answer. How much you're getting? 71 divided by 2 is 2, 3 is 6, 1, 1, 2, 5 is 10. So you're getting 35.5. So answer here will be how much? 35.5. So I hope it is clear. You can do it this way, okay? So you should remember, whenever the average of consecutive numbers are given, what you will do, you'll use the formula first term plus last term divided by 2. I hope it is clear. Save it as important. Okay, you might get this type of question. Okay, so let's see now some of the questions from the average. This is a very small topic if we talk about our state. Okay, it will be a very small topic, but if we talk in case of central exam, then it is very vast. So whatever is important for exam, that only will be looking. Okay, so let's see, take some question. Student scores, just try to do it by yourself. Okay, it is easy. So a student scores 60, 70, 80 and 90 on 4 exams. What is the average score? So how we'll do, first thing, I'll just write it down for you. Okay, first thing, let us write how many total number of observation. Let's see, total number of observation. You don't need to write in exam time. Okay, save your time as much as you can. Just for explanation, I'm doing total number of observation. I'll write as, and this will be how much count, how many given, 1 2 3 4, so total is 4, right? Now what will be the sum? Like I said, you also need what? Averages, sum divided by total. So sum of observations will be how much? Observations, say sum is equal to, what you should do, you should add all this, right? 60 plus 70 plus 80 plus 90, how much it will come? Add 60, 70, 130, 80 is 210, 210 plus 90 is 300, right? Sorry, 60, 70 is 130, 130 plus 80 is 210, 210 plus 90 is 300, right? Did I miss something? 1 2 3 4. Yeah, what is the average score? So let's see. See, and now what you should do, just use the formula. What is the average? Average is sum of observation divided by total, right? Put this one, our sum is how much? 300, right? And what about the total number of observation? N is 4. When you divide this one, how much are we getting? See, if you cannot cancel like this, 300 divided by 4, 4 7 is 28 minus, you get 2045 is 20. So are we getting 75? Answer will be how much? Average of average, what is the average score? It is 75. I hope this is clear. So this type of question you will be expecting for your AB groups or UB groups. Okay, so let's see next. The average of 2 number is 25. The average of 2 number, okay, mark it as important. If one number is given as 30, one number is given as 30, what is the other? So let me do, okay, let the other number be x. No need to write an exam. Okay, the other number be x. Okay, now they are saying average of 2 number is 25. If one number is 30, so what you should do, average is given already. It is given how much? 25, right? Now we need to find the sum and also total number, right? Total sum is how much? Sum means 30 and this 2 only, right? X plus 30. Okay, because our number other number is x and one number is what? 30. Okay, so x plus 3. What will be the total number? How many? Only 2 numbers. They already mentioned 2 numbers, right? So you can do total number is 2. Okay, let's put in the formula now. Use the formula. Average is equal to sum by total. This is sum of observation, total number of observation. I'm just writing in short. Okay, so average already given, it's 25. Can you see at 25 our sum is x plus 30 divided by total number is 2. Okay, is it okay? Now just cross multiply this to this side. This will become 25 into 2 equal to x plus 30, right? Solve this one, you get 50 equal to x plus 30. Let me write it down here. Okay, x plus 30. Now this is 50. Okay, don't be confused. This is 50. 25 into 2 is 50. Now you bring this 30 to the other side, you get how much? 50 minus 30, because plus 30, right? They'll come to the left hand side, it will become minus. So you get how much? X will be equal to 20. So what is the other number? Let the other number be x. We have given, so x is how much? 20. So our answer will be option number B. Okay, mark it as important. You might get this type of question in your exams. Okay, so I hope this is clear how I did. See how I have written average is 25, sum is already x plus 30, and total number is 2. Right? You can do like this. Let's see one more. If the average of 5 number is 18 and 4 of them are 15, 20, 17 and 19, what is the fifth number? Now I will not do like that, okay? I'll just do it directly. I know what we need to find is the fifth number. Let the fifth number be x. I don't need to write, okay? So what I'll do, I'll just do x plus 15. This is our sum, okay? Plus 20 plus 17 plus 19. How many numbers? Total is how much? Total is, count 1 2 3 4 5, already given 5 numbers, so total will be 5 and that's 5. Right, now what we have to find? Average. How much? 5 numbers. See, the average of 5 number is 18. Don't miss this thing in question, okay? Already given 18, right? So now use the formula. I've told you formula is average is equal to sum by total, right? So average is how much? Our average 18. Sum is, right, all those. If you just want to do directly, also you can do 15 plus 20 is 35. 35 plus 17 is 52. 52 plus 19 is how much? 71. Let me do it again, okay? 19, okay, 19, 17, 20, 15. If I might make mistake like that, right? So let's do 19, 17, 20, 15. 5, 7, 12 plus 9 is how much? 12 plus 9 is 21. Carry 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're getting 71, right? That's 71, okay? So we're getting sum as x plus 71. I've added all this, okay? And plus x is remaining. You cannot add variable, right? Now total is how much? 5, okay? So let us do now. Cross multiply again. It's like same last question. 18 into 5 equal to x plus 71. Right, now let us do 18 into 5 is how much? 5 into 8 is 40. Carry 4, 5, 1, 5, 9, 90 equal to x plus 71. Let me do it here, okay? Just rub this one. So what you will do now? Bring that 71 to the other side. You get how much? 90 minus 71 equal to x. When you minus this one, you'll be getting how much? 71. Just minus 10 minus 1 is 9 and 1. 19. So the value of x is coming to be 19. So what is the fifth number? Let the fifth number be x. So x is what? 19. So our fifth number is 19. Okay. Are you clear? Let me just do it again. 90 minus 71. Yeah, it should be 19. Okay. So clear? I hope this is clear, right? Let's move to the next. If I make any mistake, you can leave it in the comment. Okay. Comment box, or you can just solve it by yourself. You can make a little mistakes also. I'm a human being. Okay, so let's go next. The average weight of 3 friends is 70 kg. If 2 friends weigh 60 and 80, what is the weight? Okay, I want you to do this one as homework. Question number 1. That's homework. Okay, question number 1. Homework. Do it same way. Okay, give the answer in comment section. Do in the to give the answer in comment section. Let's see next. If the average of 4 number is 4 number, okay, is 20. So what is their sum? I told you, right? They'll give. So let's see. First, sum. We don't know, right? We have to find this one. Total number is how much? N is equal to, say, I'll write total number as n, okay, as 4. Average is how much? Average given is 20, right? 20. Clear? Clear? Now let us see. What is the formula of average? Average is sum by total number. Total number I've written n, okay? N. So average our is 20. Sum we don't know. We need to find. And our n is how much? 4. Very easy, right? Just cross multiply. You'll get the answer. So what will be the sum? 20 into 4 is 80. So our sum is 80. Okay. Let's see. So let's see. Very important. Okay. Get this type of question. Okay. Let's see next. So at the average weight of 8 women increases by 2.5 kg when a new woman replaces. So this is also kind of important. You might expect this type of question. Okay, I've not seen coming in the exam, but you might expect, because this is 2025 now, right? When a new woman replaces one of them weighing 65 kg, find the weight of the new woman. So we have to find the weight of new woman. If you get this type of question where a number of people are given, then the increased weight is given, and also the old weight is given, okay, and you have to find a new weight. Okay, so what you should do is you should use one formula to get the new weight. You should remember new weight is equal to old weight or any value. They might give some in kg, not in weight. They might give in some other terms also. Okay, we use this thing only. Plus old weight plus, you see, increase, average increase. Okay, increased average, then you should multiply by the by what, the number of people. Okay, number of people. Use this formula. Okay, so this is very important. Use this formula. So let's see now our new weight. We need to find a new weight, right? New weight of the moment. See here it's given. So new weight will be how much? Old weight. Our old weight is how much? See, when a new replaces one of them weighing, see one of them weighing 65. Should remember, okay, if one weighs 60, the average of all should be 65 only, right? If one of them is weighing 65, the average weight is a central value, right? So it should be 65 only. We should expect 65 for everyone. So old weight will be how much? 65. Then we have plus. Increased average. How much is increased? See, woman increases by 2.5, right? All of them are increased by 2.5. So what we should do is 2.5. And how many total number of people? Total number of 8 women are there. So 8 women. All of them will be increased by 2.5 only, right? All of them will be increased by 2.5. So what you should do now, 65, just multiply this 2 again. If you are confused, you can do 25 by 10. Just remove the decimal into 8. Cancel. 2 4 2s are, say 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, then 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Then multiply 5 into 4 is how much? So we're getting 20. So 65 plus 20 is how much? 85 kg. So this is the new weight. Okay, new weight of the of the new woman. Okay, find the weight of the new woman. So new weight of that woman will be how much? It's 85 kg. I hope it is clear. Net new weight is equal to old weight plus increased in average into number of weight. Should use this formula. Okay, so our answer would be option B. Let's see one more of this kind. The average weight of 10 boys is increased by 3 kg. See, total number is how much? 10 boys. Increased average is given by how much? 3 kg. When a new boy replaces one who weighs 60 kg. See, if one is weighing 60 kg, the one who's replaced, the average of everyone will be 60 kg, right? Average weight will be 60 kg. What is the weight of the new boy? So let us see. Use new weight of new boy. New weight, I'm writing NW, okay? So what we should write is old weight plus, give bracket, increased average into how many numbers? Number of people. Okay, number of people. Use this one only. Use this formula always if you get this type of question. Okay, I have not seen this type of question coming in exams, but you might expect, okay, because this is 2025, like I said. So our new weight will be how much? New weight of the boy. Old weight is how much? Because it is 60 for all of them. So it will be 60 plus increased average. How much? It increased by 3 kg, right? 3 for all of them. 3 into how many number of people? Total number of boys are 10. Okay. So it will be 60 plus 3 into 10 is how much? 30. You get 60 plus 30 is 90 kg. So new weight of a boy will be 90 kg. Clear? You should do like this. Okay, answer will be option number A. Use this formula. Okay. One more thing I should say. The average weight of 10 boys is increased by 3 kg when a new boy replaces. See, when a new boy, it is replacing someone, but someone whose weight is how much? Whose weight is 60 kg. One boy is replacing the other whose weight is 60 kg. So the average weight of everyone will be same. Okay, that's why we can use this formula. I hope this is clear. Okay, that's important. Okay, let's see next. Now this is also very important. Okay, this type of question also you might expect. The average weight of A, B and C is 45 kg. Let us write. Average weight of A plus B plus C is equal to how much? 45 kg. But see, you cannot write just 45 here, A plus. It is not the weight of A plus B plus C. It is the average weight. So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3. Total numbers how much? You should find the sum of this one. So you should do like this. Okay, A plus B plus C divided by 3 is equal to 45. This is how the average weight is given. If I have to write it in the long way, then I'll write let the sum of A plus B plus C. What will be the sum? Sum is average into total number, right? So total number is how much? First we are saying 1 2 3, so it should be 3, right? 3 into 4. So let us see, let me write like this. Now a plus b, this will be the average of this 3. 45 into 3. Okay, so a plus b plus c will be how much? 5. 3 5 is 15, carry 1, 3 4 is 12, plus 1 13. So see, the average weight of a plus b plus c is how much? 135. Clear? Let's see next. If the average weight of a and b is 40 kg, now only for this is for a plus b plus c. Now let's see for a plus b. So again you have to find the sum, right? So I'll do directly. Okay, how much? 40 into how many numbers now? Only 1 and 2, so you should multiply by 2. This is sum. Remember I told you sum is equal to average into total number, right? Total. So see, sum is 40 already given. Average weight of a and b. A and b means a plus b is how much? 40 kg. So average is 40. And what about total numbers? Total how many? 1 2. So how much you're getting? A plus b is equal to 80. Clear? So average weight of a plus b is how much? 80. Now one more thing is given, and that of b and c is 43. Let's see for b plus c. Now b plus c, let us do directly 43 again. See, 43 into how much? How many people? 1 2 2. You should get sum like this. Okay, sum is average into total. So how much you will get? This one, b plus c is 236, 86. You're getting 86. Clear? Now you got all the three. Now what do we have to find? What is the weight of b? We have to find the weight of only b, but here no single b is there. Okay, either it is with b, it is with c, or with a. So how we'll get the value of b alone? So what you should do is, see, we have b plus c as 86, a plus b is 80. So what you can do, you can put this b plus c here and get the value of a first, and then get the value of b from this one. Okay, from this one. Or else you can do, you can add, you can take this value of a plus b, put in, say, let me give this one equation 1. Okay, so that it will be clear for you. But in exam time, don't do like this. It will be a long process. Okay, so but I'm just writing just to explain. Okay, so what you can do now, put this a plus b in equation 1. Let's see what will happen after this. Okay, and this next line will be putting a between equation 2 in 1. Equation 2 in 1. So equation 2, the value of equation 2 is 1, a plus b. So let us write equation 1 plus a plus b plus c is equal to 135. Put the value of a plus b is how much? It is 80. From equation 2, can you see? It's 80. Don't be confused. Okay, 80 plus c is equal to how much? 135. Now get the value of c. Be 135. Bring this 80 to the other side. It will become minus. You get the value of c. Okay, when you minus 1, you get 5 is 5, 3 minus 55. So our c is how much? C is 55. Now once we get the value of c, let us put in this one, equation 3. Put value, this is put, okay, put, put value of c in equation 3. So what will happen? Equation 3 is b plus c is equal to 86. So our b we don't know, we need to find. Equal to b plus c is how much? C is 55. Okay, don't be confused. 55 equal to 86. Get the value b is equal to 86. Bring this 55 to the other side, will become how much? Minus 55, and the answer will be how much? B will be equal to 1331. So what we need to find is, what is the weight of b? So what is the weight of b? It is 31. Option number B will be the correct answer. I hope it is clear, right? If not, let's see one more of this kind. Okay, or let's see what we have next. Okay, we have PQ. Okay, if you want to do is homework, do it same way. Let me give you homework. This one, so question number 2. Homework, give the answer in the comment. Okay, same way you should do. Okay, if you are confused here, what you can do is rewatch it, rewind and rewatch. Okay, comment and answer. I mean answer and comment. Okay, answer and comment section. Let's see now PYQs. So this is, I told you, so it'll be a very little small chapter, but in terms of Meghalaya, okay, and make state exams. Okay, okay, let's see the average PYQs. Okay, which has already come in 2016 newbie group 2016. So the average of 4 number is 20. If 3 numbers are 18, 19 and 15, what is the 4th number? Like I told you, let us see. Sum is how much? Let the fourth number be x. You do it by yourself, okay? No need to write. So sum will be how much? X plus 18 plus 19 plus 15, okay? So this will come around x plus how much? If you add this one, 18 19 is 37 plus 15, it will be 52, okay? Clear? If I'm not wrong, 18 plus 19 is 37 plus 15 is 52, okay? So we got the sum now. How many total number? Total is how much? So count how many already given. Average of 4 numbers is 20. So average of 4 numbers, total is 4. We got already 4. Now what is the average given? Is 20. Average 4 number, average is already given. How much? 20. Put the formula. Average equal to sum by total, right? Our average is 20. Sum is how much? Sum is x plus 52. What about the total number? It's 4. Just put in the formula, get the answer. Cross multiply is be 20 into 4 equal to x plus 52. 20 into 4 is how much? 80 equal to x plus 52. Bring this 52 to the other side. This will become 80 minus 52 equal to x. Get the value of x, you'll get the answer. How much? It'll be 28. So the fourth number is how much? It is x equal to 28. So option number A will be the correct answer. Let's see next. If the average of 5 number is 5.4, what is the total sum of this number? Same thing again, like see, the average of 5 numbers already given, and is how much given? Don't need to write in exam, okay? Given and all things, just do it directly. N is equal to 5. Average is given 5.4. Sum is not given. You need to find sum is what? So I've already given the formula. Average is equal to sum by total. Total, this N is total, okay? Remember, this is total, okay? Let me write it here. N is total. Total number of observations, okay? So let's put average is how much? 5.4. Sum we don't know. And total is 5. Just cross multiply, I'll get the sum. Sum will be equal to 5.4 into 5, okay? You get sum is equal to 5 into 4 is 20, carry 2, 5, 5, 24 plus 2, 27. You're getting 27.0. So 0.0 will be gone. You can just remove this 0.0, no need. The answer is 27. So option number C will be the correct answer, okay? I hope it's easy getting. See, this is already come in UB group 2016, okay? One more UB group 2016. The average age of 30 constable is 9 years. If the age of the commander is added, it becomes 10 years. The age of the commander. Now see, there are total number, how many? 30 constable whose age is how much? 9 years. Get the sum of this one. Sum of constables. Sum of age of constable, okay? Age of constables will be how much? Like I said, what is the? It will be the average into what? Total number, right? So sum into total number is how much? See, average is 9 years. I'm sorry, this is not 30. This is the total number, right? And this is the total number into average is how much? 9. So get how much you will get sum. You get sum of this one as 30 into 9 is 270. Clear? Now, if the age of the commander is added, it becomes 10 years. Now the age, total number is now total with the sum with commander, okay? Will be how much? Before they were 30. Now plus 1 commander. 30 constable plus 1. The total number will be how much? 31, right? And their this thing is how much? The average age is 10 years. So you should multiply by 10. So you'll get how much? 30. Sum will be sum with commander, okay? 30 plus 1 is the total number I'm writing. 30 constable plus 1 is that commander. This will be 31 into 10. 10 is the average age. So average year. So 10, this will become 310. Now the age of the commander in years. You have to find the age. See, this is the sum of the ages of the constable. Now this is with the officer, commander, right? So what you should do to get the value? Just looking at this only, you will answer 310 minus 270. The age of commander will be how much? Age of commander will be sum with the commander, so that is 310 minus sum with the constables. Sum of age of constable, that is 270. So when you minus this one, you get how much? 40. Okay, so age of the commander is how much? It is 40. Option number D. This has already come in UB Group 2 2016. Okay, I hope it is clear. Let's go next. The average height of 10 students in class is 105. If 20 more students with an average height of 120 centimeter join, what will be the new average height? So again, same, get the sum of average height of 10 students first. That is 105. Get the sum of this one. Okay, let's see. Average sum of this 10 students. Okay, 10 students will be how much? It's be total number. Total number is how much? See, 10. Average is how much? 105. Sum is average into total numbers into 10. You get how much? 105 into 10 is 1050. Multiply, you'll get this one. Okay. If the 20 more students, now get the sum of 20 students. Sum of 20 students will be how much? 20 students with an average of height is average height is 120 for them. 120 into 20. This will be how much? 212 is 24, so you get 2400. Okay, sum of 10 students is 1050, and sum of the 20 students how much? 2400. Now what they're asking is, what will be the new average height? New average height means what? So count how many people will be total. Now first there are 10 students and other is 20, so total number will be how much? Total number will be 30 students. Yes or no? 10 plus 20, let me write it like this so that it will be clear. 10 plus 20, so it will be 30 students total. Now what will be the average? So you have to add the sum, right? So what will be the average? Average is sum by total, right? So our sum will be how much? Sum of this two, right? 10 plus 20. So when you add this two, you'll get how much? Just let me write it here, okay? Sum will be sum of 30 students now all together. 0 is 0. Add this one. 5 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. And 1 plus 2 is 3. So sum is 30. Put here 3400 divided by 30. Cancel 0 0. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 fives are 10. So getting 115. Average of this new students is average. What will be the new average? The new average height will be how much? 115 centimeter. Okay. So the answer will be this one. I hope this is clear. Option number D is the correct answer. Let's see if we have some more. Yeah. Okay. Very important. This also in UBSI 22. Okay, this type of question comes in UBSI 22. So suppose the average weekly pay of 5 brothers is rupees 60, and if one of the brother gets pay raise of 10 per week, only one brother is getting a pay of rupees 10 per week. Pay raise. Okay, it's increased by 10. Okay, so let us see now what we can do. 5 brothers, rupees 60. 10 per week. So let us do get the sum of this one first. 5 brothers. Okay, you get 5. Average is how much? Rupees 60 into 60. Total number is 5. Average 60. You can interchange also 60 first and 5 in the later also. So what will be the sum? First one is 300. Now remember, what is it saying is if one of the brother gets a pay raise, only one brother. So if the sum of this 5 brothers is 60, one is getting extra 10. So you should add this 10 here. So the total sum will be how much? It will be 310. Now, what you should do? Average. See, total number is 5 only because no one is replacing. It is 5 only, right? But only thing is extra 10 rupees one of the brothers is getting. So what you should do? Our sum is how much? Sum by total, right? So average will be sum is 310. Total number is 5 only. You divide this one, you'll get how much? 5 ones are 5. 5 6 is 30, 5 2 is 10. So you're getting rupees 62. Okay, so rupees 62. Clear? Option number D will be the correct answer. I hope this is clear. Rewind and watch it again. Okay, if not getting, I've already solved this one in my previous while solving the question papers also. So let's see one more that has come in a food and supply. Okay, so let's see, 3 numbers are in the ratio 11, 19, 20. If the difference between the largest and the smallest number is 45, find the average of the numbers. So let us see. Let us do like this. Take 11. If it's given in ratio, you can write 11x, 19x, 20x. Or you can just do directly smallest and largest number, right? So smallest is 11, 20 is the largest number. The difference between 20 minus 11 will be how much? Let us do like this. See, if the difference between the largest number and the smallest number is 45, 20 is the largest, smallest difference between these two. 20x minus 11x is how much? Given 45, right? So we get the value of x. This will be 9x equal to 45. X will be equal to 45 by 9, which is equal to 5. Now once we get the value of x equal to 5, put it in this one, because find the average of numbers, we have to find the number. We don't know the number, actual number. This is in the ratio, right? So let's see. Now what will be 11x? It will be 11 into 5. This will be 55. Just substitute into one. 19x will be how much? 19 into 5. This will be 5 9 is 45. Carry 4. 5 1 is 5 is 95. The other one is 20x. This will be how much? 20 into 5. So it will be 100. So now get the sum. Average is equal to sum by total. So our average will be how much? Sum is, see, now don't add 11 19 20. This will be the correct number. Okay, 55 plus 95, 55 plus 95 plus 100 divided by how many numbers? 1 2 3. Total numbers are 3. Okay, so get the average, you get the answer. Average 55 5. If you confuse, you can just do here. 5 5 is 10, carry 1, 5 9 14 plus 150, 1 250. So getting 250 by 3. Divide this one. Divide this one, you'll get how much? 3 into 8 is 24, 1 0, 3 3s are 9, 1 0.0, 3 3s are 9. So it's coming around 83.3. 83.33. It will continue. Okay, so this will be our answer. Average is 83.33. I hope this is clear. This is our easy question, and this is come in food and supply exams. Okay, so the correct answer would be 83.3, which is in option number C. I hope this is clear. Let's see if we have some more. No. So we have come to the end of this average topic. Very important for upcoming MLP exams. Okay, average. So the end. And I'll bring some other topics also very soon. As soon as I get much time, I'll try to bring it as early as possible. Okay, so till then, all the best. Study well, prepare well, work hard, work smart. Thank you.